Are you focused on the right problem? Hey guys, I'm Zach Sykes with Homestead & Co. Today I want to ask you to think about something for me. I want to ask you if you're focused on the right problem. Every single time I talk to a real estate agent, we hear over and over again that the two reasons they got into real estate were for freedom and flexibility, right? Freedom to do what they need when they need to do it, and the financial freedom that comes along with that, right? And so often we get caught up with these people out there that are telling us to save money, save money, save money, and yet how many people do you know that have saved their way to financial success? Probably very few. Now, how many do you know that have earned their way to financial success? I'm not saying that we shouldn't save. I'm not saying we should be smart with our money, yet I am asking you to think about this for a second. If you spent the same amount of effort on earning versus saving, which one is going to get you where you want to go faster? In most cases, it's much easier to do to earn your way to $1 million, earn your way to financial freedom versus save your way. How long will it take you to save it at your current income level? Or if you raised your income by 10%, 20%, 50%, doubled it, tripled it, quadrupled it, how much faster can you get to that financial freedom? Guys, that's what I love about real estate is that we get rewarded for exactly the effort we put in. It's like going to the gym. You get rewarded in direct proportion to the effort you put in. That's why we love real estate. So I want to ask you to think about something for a second. Are you focused on the right things? Are you sitting at the right table? Now here's what I mean by that. How many of you guys have ever been to a casino and played poker or maybe played blackjack? You see the lower tables for $5 a table. You see the other tables for $25 a table, $50 a table, $100 a table, right? Whatever it is. If you're the best player in the casino and you have the same odds of winning at every single table, which one is gonna pay you out more money if you're gonna win that night? Exactly, it's the higher table. So I wanna ask you this, are you sitting at the right table? If you're doing everything right and yet you're simply at the wrong table, what are you gonna walk away with versus if you're doing everything right and sitting at the best table? The results can be significantly different. So what are the chances that you're gonna save your way to financial freedom versus earning your way to financial freedom? I want you to ask yourself, am I sitting at the right table? If I do everything right, what's the return? Versus sitting at a better table, if I did everything right, what's the return? So how do I know if I'm at the right table or the wrong table? Well, who are you surrounding yourself with? Who's pouring into you? What results are coming from that? Are they saying save, save, save? Or are they saying earn, 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 so that way you can afford to save so much faster? Guys, I'm Zach Sykes at Homestead & Co. Thanks for watching. I hope you're happy where you are, but if you're not, let's connect. Reach out to me at Zach, Z-A-C-H, at homesteadrealtyco.com. Again, that's Zach, Z-A-C-H, at homesteadrealtyco.com.